YouTube, what's up with it, man? As you can see by the title, we got an LED steering wheel review for y'all today, man. I tried to film this the other day, but I ain't know shit about what to do on the steering wheel for real. Like, all I knew was how to change it. All right, it just stopped my video because it connected to my Tesla screen. But yeah, man, I had to take some time to figure out how to work this thing, but I think I finally got it down pat on how it goes. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So if I remember correctly, you hold down this left button, yep, and it goes ahead and takes you to this like display screen where it has all your options, and you basically scroll through with this. So you can just keep clicking and it'll scroll through. So you got the 4 right here. So boom, if you want to select it, you basically just hold down on this one again. No, okay, I'm wrong, sorry, I'm rusty. But if you hold down on the other button, it'll select what you want, and then you use this button right there to, you know what I'm saying, scroll through the options. So we're just gonna go through each option as well and just show you guys what it does. So this is on and off. Okay, so if we turn it off, okay, so I'm guessing that's the actual lights off, so your RPMs won't rise as you're driving. So yeah, let's go back and see if that's the case. So, yep, we're hitting the gas and the RPMs are not shooting up. And now if we go back and turn that on and then go back, you see now the RPMs are rising, cool. All right, next we got the color. So that's the LEDs. We're not gonna change the colors, honestly. Well, let's see. Let's go to the, okay, let's go back. Okay, let's try to select it. Okay, so you can change it to blue. Oh, okay, that's actually clean. The cyan is clean because that matches my Tesla screen. Okay, I actually never played with this before. So we got red and you got yellow, magenta. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I didn't know you could change it this much. I kind of like the original green because this is like, you know, the default, and that's how it'll normally look on any LED. But the cyan actually looks really clean. But I'm gonna keep it on the green for now. But I'm just showing you guys. And then obviously, if you go down the, okay, hold on. Obviously, if you go back and go to LED 2 or LED 3, it'll change the, you know what I'm saying, the next LEDs and so on. I guess these only go to, oh no, so they go, I think that one was, honestly I don't remember what color that was. We're gonna keep it on green. I don't know if it was yellow or green, fuck. I have to go back and check and, you know what I'm saying, change it back. But yeah, man, that's how you do that. Cool. Let's go to turn. I don't know what that is. So we have that off, so let's see. I don't know what that is. So that might be the turn signal, might do something. Okay, that's still. Okay, so that's just gonna stay on, okay. Okay, so that doesn't turn. I was thinking that would be the turn signal, but like when you use a turn signal to do that, but no, that thing is, it's just staying on it. Let me get a closer zoom up on this, sorry about that. All right, so that's the end of that. Let's go back. So we were just in that one right there. So now we're gonna go to the next one and see what the fuck that does. All right, okay, so this is this lap set thing. Sport set 60. Okay, let's see what sport set does. I haven't checked. I don't know what this means. This might be like a, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I couldn't tell you what the fuck that is, bro. Maybe that's like a, like if you were at the track and wanted to do a lap time or something, maybe that'll do the lap time on your, okay, so yes, a timer. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. So you got to be moving this shit. Okay, that's kind of cool. I guess you stop the timer. Okay, that's cool. I don't know how it works. It might work when you drive. I might have to try that out when I get to driving it. Fuck. I gotta watch the camera. I'm a little fucking dazed right now. I was gonna call it that. So sorry for if the camera's pointed down for a little bit right there. But all right. So that's what that does. Now there's not too much settings on this, so this is not gonna take too long to show you guys. If if you guys are getting bored by this. And then I'll just like show the driving. All right, so this is how you change it from miles per hour to kmh. On the video, dude, it has this fucking black line going down the screen. That is not how it looks in person, by the way. It's just a screen for those who might think that. So yeah, this is just changing it from miles per hour to kmh. We're gonna keep it on miles per hour. Cool. All right, now we got boom, bada bink. What is this? Okay, so I think when it shows, so on the like main display screen, and I'll show you guys in this when I'm done showing all this. You can show like the temperature and shit, and it'll say like a certain Fahrenheit on whatever the temperature is, or you can obviously change it to Celsius. So that's that. You know what I'm saying? I really still don't remember what this stuff does, so I'm trying to look at it and remember. Okay, that's changing the language of stuff, I guess. So we're gonna keep it on the US. This is like the PSI and bar. I don't know what bar means, to be honest, but I know what this just keeps it on PSI. I think it'll show your PSI on the main display thing as well. And this is your RPMs, how to control like when it flashes red. So I have it set at 6,900. So basically, but mine basically flashes red at 75,000 RPMs where my car shifts at. But I think when you like go fast, the speedometer shifts up faster than this will shift. If you have it set at 7,500, it'll like shift later. So you got to set it like a little bit before. So that's why I have it like that. And yeah, we got, what is this? I don't know what the fuck that is, dude. But it's probably not important, so we're gonna skip it. And we got this. Oh, that's definitely not important. I might need to block that out. That looks important. Fuck. But okay, this is the brightness of the lights, I think. Yeah, we're gonna keep that as the same. Wait, was that changing this brightness right here? This I don't know. We're gonna keep it in the middle though. Alright. Fuck, my arm is kinda hurting holding this phone up, so we're gonna like speed this shit up. This is another brightness, probably changes the brightness on this, probably, you know, common sense. And yeah, other than that, I think that's the last setting. Yeah, I think, okay, yeah, we're just going in loops now, so yeah, man. And I think that's the last one, and then yeah, you can just go to back to your hub, because I mean, you shouldn't have to change too much. But yeah, and then on this screen it has all the so that's your Fahrenheit right there when you just click this button, and your, I guess, voltage of your battery, how hard that's working. And this is like how hard your engine's working, so when you hit the gas, that'll like, you see it goes up to 54 and that stuff like that. So yeah, when you're going like fast, it'll be at 100. I don't know what the gas sign means right there, and then it has, yeah, I don't know what that shit means, to be honest, but you got that. I get that looks like the temperature of your engine, maybe, because that looks like engine sign or whatever. And then that's a blank page, and then yeah, back to this. So I'm gonna just give y'all a point of view drive on, you know what I'm saying, how it works when you're driving and stuff like that. And yeah, man, so we're gonna cut to that. YouTube. All right, man, so I was gonna come like early in the night and film this video, but it's kind of late night, and I just wanted to show y'all how it looks, you know, at nighttime, because that's really where the LEDs shine, you feel me? So we're gonna get right to it. I did change the LED colors to white and cyan to just spice it up a little bit so y'all will see that. And I just do like a little quick phone point of view. I ain't even gonna whip the GoPro out for this shit. And yeah, just give y'all a little gist of how the lights work, stuff like that. Oh. Lights though, they like I said, it matched my screen and shit. Yeah, That shit smooth. You feel me? Turn the lights off, do that. It's still a little wet out this motherfucker, but I'll get the oh, and I need to rev it for y'all too. Yeah, I forgot to rev it. I'll rev it when I get to a stop. I meant to rev it at that dealership and shit. But fuck it though, you feel me? Like I said, it definitely spices up the nighttime drive and just give you something to look at while you're racing, driving, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? Can the Alcantara feel good on your hands? So I fuck with it. Slow down, I'm losing traction. Wet ass rain. You ain't gonna keep doing that. But yeah, I'll give it some revs right here too. Real quick. Let's see that thing rev up. They're the rails right there. But yeah, I ain't gonna be able to get no traction in this motherfucker. Only way I get that bit to flash while I'm driving, I turn this motherfucking traction off. Get that shit to spin, but it's good though. Yeah, y'all get the gist of it, man. Get it to the 7500 red line range is gonna flash on you, and you know it just really goes off your RPMs. You got your miles per hour right there. Like I said, if you want to customize it, you can go red Alcantara, you can go any type of Alcantara, leather, whatever you want. That'd be carbon customs. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe for more content coming every week, every day. Dig, man, I'm out this motherfucker. Love you, dig.